Progress is an Interreg Europe project focusing on the governance of regional ecosystem services. We have 6 countries participating in this project. Those are Italy, Latvia, Spain, Hungary, Romania, and Ireland. This project provides a platform where we can share our environmental problems and look for the common solutions.
Ecosystem services are the goods and services that nature provides us. It's those services that we don't for granted, that we don't pay for, but that are basic for our survival. For example, the filtration of water, our soil, the maintenance of soils, the biodiversity, the absorption of CO2 and the oxygen that we breathe. So there are basic services that nature provides to us.
Improved governance for ecosystem services is essentially about ensuring that nature conservation and natural ecosystems are appropriately considered for policy and decision making.
Governance of ecosystem services is to take care to enhance the production of them, but especially to restore, to maintain them, not to lose them.
Through the interregional exchange experiences of this project with our partners and their stakeholders, and we've learned about many different good practices which take very different approaches. Some are very technical, some are more qualitative, but through the exchange of experience and learning from our stakeholders and their approaches, we've identified different pathways and mechanisms that we might possibly use and take to address ecosystem services and improved governance for ecosystem services within our own region.
Each of us come with one solution, and we all live with potentially 6 solutions.
We are using this knowledge in order to build our policies for the internal areas of Tuscany, for the mountain areas, and of course also for the repayment of the ecosystem services.
It has been a great opportunity to make a stronger links with our own local governments.
So overall, our engagement with this project has enhanced our capacity, it has improved our processes, it has deepened our relationships with our stakeholders, all to the benefit of the themes of the project. And I would just say that this engagement really shows the value of participation in Interreg Europe projects, and we would encourage organisations throughout our region and beyond to look into engaging on an Interreg Europe project in the current programming period.
Partners reflect how the exchange of good practices is translated into concrete actions at regional level, contributing to the improvement of regional policies. These are documents explaining how the good practices that have been shared during the exchange of experience will be implemented at the regional level and contribute to improve the policies of that region.
An action plan is basically try to transfer what we have already acknowledged within the project to the policymakers. We have learned about the All-Ireland Pollination Plan from Ireland. It's a way to communicate about pollination and the importance of these ecosystem services and try to maintain it. We are trying to transfer this good practice to the Catalonian government so they can use it in the same way.
To learn from each other, to see other solutions to problems, to gain more knowledge from the partner regions.
We need to help nature to provide those services.